Hi.
Are you ready for 50 questions with Pink Pillar?
Oh my god, do I have a choice?
Let's go. What is the first thing you thought of when you woke up this morning?
The shoot today.
Three
Okay, let me be honest. I actually thought of what I was going to be wearing today.
You look lovely, by the way.
Thank you.
Three things that can make you happy instantly.
Three things. My puppy. Really like a friend whom I love and seeing them and that smile on their face. And I think modaks, if I can say that. As soon as I see them, it brings a smile on my face.
Wow. How many languages can you speak?
I speak Marathi, Hindi and English.
Your all-time favorite Bollywood movie?
Can't say any one, not spare to just say one. Can I get out of this question? Is that allowed?
I think so.
Maybe I should say one of my own movies.
And what one is it?
That would be Sarparo.
Given a chance, which on-screen character of yours would you like to wake up as?
No, I don't want to wake up as any character that I have played. I want to wake up as me. See, the beauty of playing all these characters is that you can be that person and not have to live the consequences of being that person. So I would rather be me when I wake up.
Your first celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush, not the crushing kind, especially with celebrities. I think crushes have been more cerebral rather than celebrity for me. And I'm not naming.
Love. What is the way to your heart?
The way to my heart is kindness, love. Oh yeah, sense of humor. Very, very, very important.
What is your most overused phrase?
I wouldn't call it overused, but I really like switch on the sunshine. It really means a lot to me.
Stuck on an island, what are the three things you will need?
On an island, I need sunscreen. I've got hypersensitive skin and the pigmentation goes hysterical. So sunscreen, I can't survive without that. And for me, I think if I can have one bit of makeup, it's kajal. I can't imagine myself without kajal. Oh, I have one more thing that I can have. Maybe some clothes.
Maybe. Okay. A show you're currently binge watching.
The season 1 of Broken News, I want to binge watch it. And please, you must also before the season 2 comes out.
Sure. Can you tell us one similarity between you and your character Amina Qureshi from the Broken News?
I think our sense of style. I think our sense of style. I think Amina has amazing style. Even if I say it myself.
What is the coolest thing you've ever done?
Coolest thing that I've ever done. I think getting into movies was the coolest thing that I could do, especially from where I came. It was such a unusual thing. Nothing that I would have ever thought of, my family would have ever thought of. It took a lot of guts and it took a lot of courage to do it, and I think that was coolest.
What is the scariest thing you've ever done?
It was my surgery when I was going through my cancer treatment, and that surgery was scary.
A film of yours that is the closest to your heart.
I think that film is yet to be made and I'm waiting for it. So anybody out there who's hearing it, please think of something for me, bring it to me.
If not an actor, what would you be?
Oh, you know what? This is a question I've answered in multiple ways earlier. But as I grow older, I don't think I want to be anything else. At the most, maybe behind the camera here, because it's so creative and so amazing to be, but definitely this industry.
A unique talent of yours that no one knows about.
I think it should remain hidden. I don't want to share it, but if I have to, I would say that if I decide to, I'm not a bad cook. But I don't want anybody to know that because I don't enjoy cooking.
Now we know. Complete the sentence. Your friends and family address you as?
Oh my God, I'm not telling you. Okay, I can say what friends address me as, that's Sons. But there is another name which family addresses me as, and I'm not going to say that.
Oh no, that's a secret now.
Yeah.
Complete the sentence. Home is?
Oh my God, where the heart is, where everything is.
Another complete the sentence. The Broken News is?
A must-watch show. Very relevant, very today, and amazing performances by Jaideep, Shriya, and me.
If you were a superhero, what would be your superpower and costume?
I am a superhero. Look at my life, I am a superhero. I think most women are superheroes. Look at the amount of things they juggle, look at all the things that they go through. We are superheroes.
How would you describe your sense of humor?
Dark. Most people don't get it. Dark, yeah.
Wow. What is the best advice you've ever received so far?
The best advice that I have ever received so far. I don't know if this counts as the best advice that I've received, but I think the best advice for me is to take one day at a time. And that hashtag has really worked for me. Even today, when I start getting stressed or I start getting worried or I start getting fearful, I just tell myself just one day at a time, and it just takes me through it.
An advice you would like to give your younger self?
There's a lot of life to be lived. Go slow, it's fine. You're going to be okay.
A unique food combination that you love?
A unique food combination. Okay, it's not unique, but it's I think very Maharashtrian. I love khichdi and I love fried fish. So I love mixing fried fish and khichdi. Oh my God, I think I want it now.
Your signature step at a dance party?
At a dance party,
Yes.
depends on where the party is, depends on how many of my close friends are around. So from being very proper to completely wild, there are a couple of different signature steps there.
Can you show us one?
No?
An emoji that you often use?
I like this little cluster of stars sort of a thing. I don't know what is that emoji called? I think it is, yeah. You know, it's just like a combination of a little stars. It's like sparkle. I love using that because I think even if it's like a mundane thing, just that adding a little sparkle to it picks that statement up.
That is a deep meaning to an emoji.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is your favorite way to unwind after a long day at work?
Oh my God. I just don't want to talk to anybody. It's silence and my puppy. That's my best unwinding.
What is the most interesting fan encounter you have ever had so far?
Oh my God. You know, it's not fair. In all these years, there are many interesting fan encounters. But I think lately, if I can say that, the encounters that make a difference and that matter to me are when at random places, at airports or wherever I'm going, when people come and say that, you know, I'm dealing with the same illness and what you went through encouraged me and I went for it rather than succumbing to it. I think that's the best encounter till date. When I hear that, it makes it all worth it.
What would be the title of your autobiography?
I'm never going to write an autobiography.
If Sonali Bendre came with a warning sign, what would it say?
Looks are deceptive.
Describe your co-stars in one word. Jaideep Ahlawat?
A gentle giant. I mean, that's what I can think of because he has this scary face, but he is such a softie actually.
Indraneel Sengupta?
Fantastic actor. I love his acting.
Shreya Pilgaonkar?
Cutie, I love her.
If your life had a theme song, what would it be and why?
I don't think it can be one song because music is what your mood is, and so there are different things that go through it. But one of my favorite artists is Niladri Kumar, and I keep going back to his music very, very often. So, yeah.
A fitness tip that you always stand by?
I think that would be eating healthy because nothing is more important than putting good things in your mouth.
A skincare hack that has helped you achieve that flawless glow?
Flawless. Listen, guys, it's the team. You have to see the team behind that gives me the flawless look. I have to thank them for it. But if it is any one thing that I have to say for a flawless skin, then you have to look after it. Water and good food. Nothing beats that. Nothing on top can beat what you put inside.
You have lovely skin.
Thank you.
What is the most difficult part of being an actor?
I don't know if it's difficult, but lately, when I started off, the memory was much better. I could read a whole page and remember it. Nowadays, I need to take a little time to memorize those lines. That could be the brain fog, post chemo, me aging, or I don't know what it is, but that is happening, and that's kind of a little weird for me.
Give us 3 reasons why everyone must watch season 2 of your show, The Broken News.
Because it's a fantastic show, it's got thrill, it's got excitement, and it's so relevant.
If you had to survive a zombie apocalypse with 3 people from the industry, who would it be in your survival squad?
I think I'm married into the industry, so I can pick out 3 family members that I want to survive with. But if I pick out 3, then the rest of them will be they'll feel really bad about it. So right now, let me just say Goldie the hell.
Do you know any Gen Z lingos?
Oh, okay, I get confused. Gen Z is which year to which year?
2000.
Listen, all the lingo is very confusing. So I might give you some lingo and that could be the millennial lingo or the boomer lingo or suddenly the Gen A? Isn't that the latest? The Gen A lingo. Yeah, so I'll skip this one.
Sure, I am a Gen Z. I will teach you some.
Okay, tell me.
I am going to teach you one. It is salty. I love that word.
It's salty. And what exactly does
It
that
means jealous.
mean? Jealous?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
It's a nice word.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What's the most interesting or bizarre thing you've
That
ever...
was so cute. It was too good.
What is the most interesting or bizarre thing you've ever read about yourself online?
Too many of those. Usually they are gossip and salacious, and so which I find bizarre. So I think I would not want to mention it and give it any sort of a credence.
Can you share a childhood memory?
Childhood memory has always been with sisters and books and traveling. Yeah, a lot of traveling, especially Indian Railways, because that was our mode of transport when I was a child.
Describe your first ever audition.
First ever audition. I can't remember my first ever audition because it was for an ad film. I don't remember which ad film it was for. I don't remember the audition, but I can describe my first ever photo shoot, and that was for a product, and I was shooting for Gautam Rajyadesh, and it was Mickey doing my face, and what can I say? I learned from the best. I got groomed by the best.
What inspired you to be an actor?
I'm an accidental actor. I was never inspired to be an actor. It just happened to me, and as I progressed, as the journey continued, I fell in love with it.
Tell us about a core memory from the sets of The Broken News.
I think for me, the core memory and the take back from the sets of Broken News will always be Vinay sir, my director Vinay Vaikul, because he has lived this show. With Samit, he has written it also, and so for me, he was the core person on the set and who knew the show inside out.
A hashtag that perfectly describes you.
You know, I don't think I can be described in one hashtag. Please. I think I have more to me than just one hashtag.
Your go-to place for a vacation.
Okay, that's difficult. It's changing. Now, go-to place more and more has been the mountains. I'm falling in love with the mountains.
What's your ultimate comfort food?
Oh my God, it's khichdi.
If your life...
If I have to be specific, it's mugacha dalichi khichdi, as we say in Marathi. And that lemon pickle that my nani used to make. Oof, that combination is amazing.
The best combination ever. Best. Okay. If your life was a movie, which one would it be?
No. It's not been made yet. It's yet to be made. There's lot to my life still.
What makes Sonali do a happy dance?
Happy dance for me happens in the smallest of things. It's not the big things. Big things, I kind of sober up and become all serious. And it's the small things that give me joy. It can be a smile from someone. It can be just some good news. It can just be... Actually, you know what? Usually it's my puppy that makes me do that happy dance because she gives me so much joy.
One last question. What is your life mantra?
Life mantra, oh my God. Various ones, but I think one day at a time and switch on the sunshine definitely can be called my life mantra.